cannot afford to lose. All right, I think I think you can hear me now. I think you can hear me now. All right, please don't trade. Please don't trade money that you can't afford to lose. All right, so in this video, I just want to give you guys the results of my S&P 500 markup from earlier today. All right, and just to show you guys proof that this is from earlier today, I'm here on TradingView, and I'm going to go over to my alerts. Okay, and you can see at 4 hours ago, I actually had someone to agree with this markup. So let's click on this really quickly here. Let's click on it, and so you guys can take a look at what exactly it is that I marked up. All right, so you guys can see right here, I titled it S&P 500 Quick Long Trade to teach me to fisheffects.com. All right, I had a entry at 33.58. All right, on the S&P 500. I had a stop loss set at 33.53.1 and a take profit set at 33.67.8. All right, and again, you can see that this was 7 hours ago, and this was a 2 to 1 risk reward. All right, so we were risking 49 pips in order to gain 98 pips. All right. That was the risk for the S&P 500, and now you see that the S&P 500 is going up. It is shooting up. It is shooting up. Now, this trade is done. All right. We hit take profit. We are good. Now, I believe the S&P 500 will drop, will pull back. All right, will it be a full reverse? I don't know. All right, it just may be a pretty significant pullback. All right, it may be a pretty significant pullback. All right, you guys can see where we are actually um, in a distribution zone right here. All right, we're right dead smack in the middle of a distribution zone. So I do think that we will get a pullback, but that is what I think. All right, that is what I think. All right, and if we do get this pullback, I'm looking to enter this trade at, let's see if it shows here, somewhere around 33.12. All right, I'm looking to get into the trade around 33.12, and the first take profit will be between about, be looking to take it at 32.43.3 or somewhere around 32.21.8. So what I'll be doing is, if it does drop, I'll be looking to move my stop loss down to 32.43.3, and excuse me, I will move my stop loss to break even around 32.43.3, and maybe taking a little bit off at 32.22.5. All right, so but again, just to show you guys that that markup was a successful markup. It took a little while. Let's see. Again, it was I did it 7 hours ago, so that is going to put us at, what is this, 2200. All right, so that is going to put us at what, 2 o'clock, something like that, around 2 o'clock or so. If I'm doing the math correctly, which I don't think I am, but anywho, so I put that in, and also if you want to get these types of markups, feel free to, of course, follow the YouTube channel, follow this YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. All right, and let your friends and your family know where you're getting all this forex value from. And then I want you to head over to tradingview.com, sign up. All right, and then go ahead and follow the Teach Me to Fish effects. You see me right here, all one word. The Teach Me to Fish effects right there. Follow me. All right, and you too can get these markups. as I put them out. But again, that take profit was hit. All right, we're kind of getting a little pullback right now. It's after hours. All right, it's 10:20 Eastern Standard Time. But again, take profit was hit. We're good to go. All right, 98 pip trade. Okay, 98 pip trade. So if you missed out on this trade, don't miss out on any more. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up on one of the very affordable membership programs so you can learn exactly how to mark up your own charts. All right, and get into your own trades. All right, all right, and get these pips, baby. That's what we're doing. We're getting these pips. Listen, Forex can definitely help sustain your house. All right, it is helping me to sustain mine. I must admit I am not a Forex millionaire. So I'm not making millions of dollars trading forex, but the money that I do make, it does afford me to be able to work for myself and not work for anyone else. So all right, guys, as always, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your view. I hope that maybe this video has brought some clarity to you, if not clarity, but has given you some inspiration to let you know that Forex is real. All right. Now, I do have a trade open on Aussie JPY where I am buying right now. I am buying Aussie JPY right now. Let me take a look and see how that trade goes. It's going. All right. All right, so currently up 27 pips on the Aussie JPY. I'm currently buying that right now. I don't expect for it to go that much further, but it could take a little while. All right, it could take a little while, and we may get some type of I'm sorry, something in my eye. Something in my eye. Is it Pips? But anyway, we may get a some type of reversal this week. All right, I don't know. We may have some area of interest that we kind of might want to see the market go to. Right. All right, we've already kind of, and I hope you guys have watched that video on how to identify the profitable areas of interest. But we can see here that this profitable area of interest, we see how the market is responding to it. So I wonder where the market is going to go and how the market is going to respond to that area. All right, but listen, if you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch that video. It's the last video, the latest video. All right, it's the latest one, how to identify profitable areas of interest for trading Forex. All right, I think that was the name of it, or something like that. But hey, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm buying Aussie. I'm taking a look at gold, trying to see if I can do a quick buy scalp on that. But I'm not too sure about gold because gold is definitely overdue for a correction. All right. It's definitely overdue for a correction, but I don't know how far this correction is going to be. I think getting this gold scalp, it may not work out as best for me. And so when I'm not 100% certain about a trade, when I don't feel 100% about a trade, I usually don't post any markups or anything like that. I just kind of take the trade, hush, 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 because you know how we YouTube forexes do. We only want to show you when we're profitable. All right, no, but that's not me. You can check my other videos, and you know that. Hey, I don't mind letting people know when I win, when I lose. You know, it's a part of the name of the game. If I was a market maker, then it would be a different story. But I'm not a market maker. All right, I just know how to trade the works and the work and the flowing of the market. All right, so I think. All right, so I think. But again, I just want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys this markup. And again, if you watch that video from earlier today, all right, you will be able to see, how exactly, well, somewhat how exactly I My phone's about to die. I had to turn on my zero limit. I need to put a link in the description, right, so I can try to maybe get some affiliate money from Amazon. But yeah, get you a zero limit, guys. A extended battery to put on your phone. These things come in handy. But anyway, so that's going to be it for me on tonight. I appreciate you guys again for viewing. Let me see. We got a Okay, Ernest says, "Let it rip." Yeah, we're gonna let it rip. But no, we went ahead and took profit on that because again, I'm expecting the S&P 500 to pull back and to do a little shuffle. All right, so I'll take that profit, and then tomorrow I'll take a look at the opening, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the U.S. stock market, and so we'll see how the S&P 500 has performed over throughout the night, and see how it opens up at the beginning. So hey, Ernest, thank you so much, my brother, for tuning in. I appreciate your view. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I do appreciate you. I know it's late, but hey, we can all use some Forex inspiration. And I hope that this was some good inspiration for you. And hey, Ernest, if you have not subscribed, I'm talking exactly to you, directly to you. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and share the channel. Let them know where you're getting this good Forex knowledge and inspiration from. All right, guys, so that's going to be it. I am tired. I still have some other work I need to do. And then, plus, I plan on waking up in the morning and trading some of the London session, trading some of these GBP pairs, all right, on the London session and seeing what we can do, all right, what we can do on this London on this London session with these GBP pairs. You guys don't know, I love trading GBP. All right, these are the pairs that I watch. GBP. Here, let me expand this out some. These are the pairs I watch. GBP NZD. Just in case you may want to watch these too. I watch these because these are highly volatile. 100 plus pips a day on average. Love these pairs. But GBP NZD, GBP JPY, GBP USD, GBP odd, GBP CAD, pound Swiss. I love the Euro NZD. I love the Euro odd. I watch the Dixie. I watch gold. I watch S&P 500. Especially love watching Amazon. I'm waiting to get in on a good trade for Amazon. I'm waiting for just a good trade for me to be able to just to catch one because I'm usually dipping in and out um, on Amazon. So, but I'm looking for a good buying. I'm looking for a good buying position to take. Oh, I got some more. Oh, that's what's up. Thanks, my brother. Thank you so much for being a sub, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, yes, GBP NZD. Man, I tell you that, man, that thing will roll. It will roll on you. It will roll in on you. Um, but hey, we take a look at this thing and we mark out our areas of interest, and we just play it like that, baby. That's all we do. We just play it. We we flow with the market, okay? We flow with the market, right? We flow with the market. We flow with the market. And I have to start back bringing some more of the workflow trading videos as well. But that's my little system my system of indicators that I've put together, the workflow trading system. But again, ultimately, um, that system, it still helps. But again, in my training, man, I just really teach you guys how to zone in on those areas of those profitable areas of interest of the market. And if you need a little help, that trading system will help you. But nonetheless, man, yes. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here so you guys can rest up, so you can wake up tomorrow. I don't know what sessions you'll be trading, but hey, just to give you guys some tips. Listen, here in the U.S., all right, here in the U.S., okay, the Asian session, all right. We typically look at the Asian session from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to about 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Uh, some people may look at it from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to about 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I kind of like that larger window, 5 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But listen, you can still profit. You just have to know what pairs to trade. All right. And can I let you guys know what pairs that I would recommend looking at? All right. These are just the pairs that I would recommend looking at. Anything with odd, anything with JVP, with the Japanese yen, the JBP. Why? Excuse me. Why am I saying that? The JPY. All right. And then hint, hint. All right. I told you guys I'm currently up, and even my man Ernest. All right, we're both buying. I don't know where Ernest got in, but we're both buying the Aussie yen pair. All right, I'm currently up 24 pips. It's kind of fluctuating a little bit. Hey, doing its thing. I need to jump back over to the chart and put in my take profits and things of that nature. But anywho, if you're gonna trade the Asian session, take a look at your odd pairs. Take a look at your JPY pairs. I really like focusing on GBP odd during the Asian session because sometimes that thing will move during the Asian session. Look at this. Look at this move here. Moving during the Asian session. Got some choppiness here. Okay. Here's a nice move down here on this day. Here. I don't think you guys can see that. Let me blow that up for you. But here's a nice move. Here, let's take a look. Let's measure this. Let's just go from here. Let's take a look at the range. How about let's just take a look at that full range. You talking what 63 pips? Hey, 63 pips, that'll do you some good, especially if you're trading at a standard. You're talking $630 that you just made in the Asian session. So GBP odd is a pair that I like to look, and then especially if you break that down and say if you want to scalp, break that down to the 15-minute chart. I don't know exactly where day that was, but it was back here. All right. Let's try to find that. Here we go. Here's one. Look at this move during the Asian session. All right, so GBP odd, and then like I said, don't forget your Aussie JPY. Don't forget that odd yen. Gonna give you some decent moves, during the Asian. All right, Asian session. Let's just take a look at that range starting from here to about here. What is that? That's only 16 pips on that day. I probably would have been mad on that day, but that's not bad either. Hey, you trading at a standard, you just made $160. Sitting at your computer. All right, all right. There's a lot of people sitting at a computer, but they're not making 100. They're not even making $160 an hour. All right, or $160 a day. You know. So Aussie JPY is a good one. Let me see if we have any. You don't have to catch the whole move. Yes, sir. Man, listen, I don't know if you've been watching my videos or you're just a genius like I am. I think you're just a genius like I am. But that's so true. We don't have to catch the whole move. We're not trying to catch the whole move. We don't need to be we don't have to be catch the whole move in order to be profitable. Oh, but man, look at this. Look at how Ozzy is just kind of how it broke through this area of interest and kind of showing this size of rejection. So we got 10 minutes left in that counter. You can't get too happy. You can't get too happy, but again, I think Ozzy is coming. It will come up somewhere here and kind of give us a nice reversal, but we don't know. We wait to see how the market reacts. We wait He says he watched my video. I appreciate that. Thank you. Man, I wish we can like just talk back and forth. I'm gonna have to start doing some Zoom videos where and just start, let you guys just like hop on and we just do some Zoom videos and chop it up and take a look at this market. But look at the Aussie JPY. It's just moving. It's just moving. It's just moving. And we don't have any indicators. All we have are our profitable areas of interest. All right, waiting to see how the market responds. In this case, you will wait on. I'm not going to give you everything now, but I'm going to tell you. You will wait on a trend continuation pattern. All right, a continuation pattern. All right, now there are certain patterns that I look for trend continuation, and then also reversals. All right, I really like the reversals. I think the reversals are a whole lot easier to spot. But but yeah. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. What was the video about? The video was supposed to be about the S&P 500 trade. Let's see. Let's see if it's still going. I would have to come back here and look at structure. Let's go to the 4 hour. Just really quickly. Let's see if we have some type of structure over here. We have some structure over here. We have some structure over here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what the market makers left on the table to come back and get. But you guys see that? You see what the market makers did? They played it all the way up here, pulled it all the way back, and now they're going all the way back up to come and get some more money. But anyway, let's take a look at this structure that's over here. Let's see. All right, so that black line, the black perforated line should be. And I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why I'm how I am tonight. I think I'm just excited about catching 98 pips off of the S&P 500. But anyway, let's see. Yeah, we definitely have structure here. I would probably. I tell you what, let's go ahead and do this. What's this? This is on the 4 hour. Okay, so this would be some good areas of interest right here. All right, let me do this for you guys. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see how close we are. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's gonna fall, because again, this, we even though we mark these areas of interest, we're not in control. All right. So again, we have to just kind of be patient, wait, and see what happens. All right. But it looks like it's gonna overshoot my distribution zone. It may overshoot it and come up into this area, this 4 hour area of interest that I just marked here. Or it may just again create its own structure and turn around. But again, if it does turn around, I'm more than likely looking to take profit once it gets here to I think that is 3212. Point two. So I'll kind of just wait for it. Now I'm not saying that as soon as it gets here that I'm gonna get into a sell. No, that's not how we work. That's not how we flow here to Teach Me to Fish. But we wait. I would basically wait for my continuation pattern somewhere around here, and so I may have to drop down to a lower time frame to find that. All right. I may have to drop down to a lower time frame, and I may even miss, a lot of the move. But let's say for instance, if we do get a good continuation from there to a first take profit, you're talking 89 pips. You know, you trading at a standard, that's $890. That's somebody's rent, you know. uh, you know that I'll take that, you know, just to make sure. Oh yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll let everybody else, you know, have to jump in on the trade at the beginning. I'll wait on everybody else, but for me in my house, for me in my house, you know, we're gonna wait and see what the market is telling us to do. All right, we're gonna let the market tell us what to do. Y'all can go and try to tell the market what to do, but we're gonna wait and let the market tell us what to do. All right. So, all right, guys. I'm tired. I'm getting delirious. I need to go to bed. I need to go go and get some sleep. All right. So, I'm gonna get out of here. Ernest is sitting back, cracking up, laughing at me. He's like, "What is this man on?" Oh man, I don't know what I'm on either, man. I have no idea what I'm on, guys. But I'm going. All right, I'm gonna go. So. Um, Again, thank you so much, Ernest. Thank you for being up with me, man. Everybody else will probably watch this video a little later, but thank you so much for being up with me, man. And I appreciate you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. All right, so I can go jump on and check out this trade, making sure nothing's going against me. So I'm back up 27 pips. This gold is looking crazy on me right now. Gold is looking crazy on me. It's looking crazy on me. I think I thought I saw something that I didn't see, obviously. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. So again, I appreciate your view. I pray that this video has maybe brought some clarity to you, some inspiration. If not anything else, it has given you some laughs, just laughing at this crazy man on the other side of your screen. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you again. Always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.